Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ana Siddiqui. I'm an improvement advisor and the program manager for National Value Improvement Collaborative in Hamad Healthcare Quality Institute, which is under Hamad Medical Corporation, Doha, Qatar. The improvement journey that I'm going to take you through is the National Value Improvement Collaborative from pilot to spread in Qatar. So this methodology, this program is aligned with the Qatar's national health strategy of providing better health, better care, and better value for all the population across Qatar. This method has three components: the box score, the visual management board, and the weekly huddles. So box score is basically a list of measures which are categorized into performance, capacity, and finance. And these are updated on a weekly basis. Then there's a visual management board wherein the box score is updated, the linkage chart is there, and the measures are reported. The measures as the aim, the quality improvement tools are utilized like cause and effect analysis, Pareto analysis, run chart, PDSAs, and all these is reported in the weekly huddles wherein all the frontline staff, the leadership, the finance representation, they all gather around the visual management board, and a huddle of 15 minutes is conducted. We started this pilot in a hospital, in a high dependency unit, and then after the success, it was spread to a critical care unit and an outpatient department in the same hospital. Then we evaluated the program, and after that, it was spread to 6 more units across the corporation. And then after the success of this, it was launched as a National Value Improvement Collaborative in 26 units across 13 hospitals in HMC, and Primary Healthcare Corporation and the Qatar Red Crescent. So we utilized the IHS scale-up framework for spread and scale-up. So it was a phased approach to rapidly get to full-scale scale-up and spread, eventually to a national collaborative. The results that we got amazing results from the unit, the collaborative unit. Some of the results that I would like to speak about is we increased the operating theater utilization from 70% to 80%. The cancellation of surgeries reduced to 50%. No-shows reduced to 25%. There was reduction in cost of consumable. For example, in dental surgery, we were able to track the wastages for the dental packs, and then there was a reduction in cost of consumables after working through it. It was 86% reduction. Some of the unit, they are working on Joy at Work, and it has increased to 50%. The direct nursing care to the patient has increased to 40%. Discharge before 11 a.m. In one unit, it has many units are working on early discharges, but in one unit, we have seen that there are results from 39, it has increased from 39 to 63%. In a long-term care unit, the oral hygiene of the patients have increased from 63 to 80%. We have a non-clinical unit working on the methodology, and they managed to decrease the manual diet order to almost 0%. The conclusions that I would like to speak and the lessons learned from this work which we have done, and the take-home messages for others, is there was an engagement from all staff in unit in scale-up plan. So all the staff are very much engaged. There is a leadership support, which is a key for the success of this program. There is adequate delegation and distribution of power so that the staff feel empowered. There is the coaching in some units from within. So we have the coaches from the facility level. The NVIC learning sessions were very effective. So these learning sessions increased the capability in terms of signs of improvement in the frontline staff. The coaching sessions clarifies the gap and opportunity for improvement. Building capacity and capability is an important win in this. And there was a support from the HHQI coaches in terms of coaching the teams. I would like to acknowledge the Institute of Healthcare Improvement, who are our strategic partners for providing us guidance on this methodology. Then all the hospitals across Hamad Medical Corporation, the Primary Healthcare Corporation, and Qatar Red Crescent. These are some of the glimpses of our weekly huddles in the units and the learning sessions. Even during the COVID situation, even during the COVID-19 situations, the units were able to conduct their huddle and carry on with the improvement work. Last but not the least, I would like to thank you all on behalf of Hamad Healthcare Quality Institute.